Guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm so glad a lot of you liked my previous updo. I'm so happy, and this particular comment got me so thank you so much. Thank you for dropping a comment. Today I will be trying something that I've never done on this channel before. I'll be trying an inspiration of the tutorial. So today, guess which one we will be trying? We're trying Maria Weisborn's birthday shoot updo. So a few days ago was her birthday. Happy birthday, Maria Weisborn, in arrears. And when I saw the video, rather a picture, I really liked the updo and I was like, wow, I need to try this and try something like this for a tutorial for my subscribers. Sisters, let's go in the name of the Lord. So what we'll be needing for this tutorial, although I'm going to be listing the materials that were used for this video, for this tutorial, in the description box, but for now, your cotton comb, your hairpin, black bobby pins. I'll be needing black bobby pins. Of course, I'll be needing my hairbrush, and if there's any other thing, I will list in the description. Hi sis, so to begin with, I did not moisturize my hair. Like, I did not spritz my hair with water because my hair was already moisturized. I moisturized the previous day, so it was still moisturized. I could still feel the moisture after I unraveled the braid. So I went on to massage my scalp, especially my edges, because my edges, I'm still trying to regrow it. I'd really advise that you pay rapt attention, because this style is very, should I say, cumbersome. Now this is it. You're going to part your hair into two sections, the two sides. So one section, you're going to part from your ear to, should I say, your eyebrow. I don't really know how to explain it, but then you can see it. So the other section, you're also going to part, but then if you notice, the one side of the hair, like one section, is bigger than the other section. So you can either make your right section rather to be bigger than the left. So after putting the two sections away in twist, I went on to the front. Now for the front, you're going to fold and pin. So you're going to part like the first section you're going to part the first section. So after parting, like the way you're seeing in the video, you're going to fold and then fold it to the side and pin. Now take note that it might not be looking like the style, but guys, watch to the end and see the beautiful transformation and what I did to make it really look really nice. So for you can just fold and pin, fold and pin. Go on to folding and pinning the second section. Also do that to the third section. At this point, I noticed that it wasn't laying, like the hair was not laying down. So I had to put some pins to pin it down to give me that look, that professional look from the style that we are imitating. Now for the first section, you can either fold it and tuck it and pin it, or you twist it like I'm doing now. Like, I separated one section, like the bigger section, into two, and then I made it slip down to my hair and then twisted it. And I did that for the other section too. I twisted it and then I tucked it and pinned it. Also notice how I'm tucking and pinning, like I'm kind of overlapping. I took one of the side to one part of the hair and then I pinned and I took the other part to the other part of the hair. Now for the back section, if you have smaller hair, maybe your hair is not as long as mine, you can just fold it and pin. But what I did here was I did chunky twist. I twisted it first and then I overlapped it and pinned it down. But you can do something else. Just make sure you do something really nice. Remember, we do not have to do exactly what we see. We're just imitating. We're trying to copy. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, every mistake is a design. This is the final look. I'm loving this hairstyle. So beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in another video. Bye.